looking for someone like me. Be gone, you can handle me. I'm not like the mothers that you said they can't do it like me. No.
How to make my mama's homemade banana pudding. Separate 12 egg whites from egg yolks. Layer pan with vanilla wafer cookies and chopped bananas. Repeat these steps until you reach the top of the pan. Mix and pour 12 yolks, 1 stick of melted butter, 1 can of carnation milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor, 1 cup of sugar. This is for a small banana pudding, but in this video, this is a large banana pudding, so I doubled the recipe. Shake well. Beat egg whites with mixer. Spread egg white meringue on top until it covers the top of the pan. Then place in the oven on 350 until brown. I hope you enjoy.